the big boys. The big boys signing their life away. On the road, man. It's like you, man. Checking out 2 times already. I'm disappointed. Disappointed, man.
Yes, perfect.
Yeah, I'm recording this.
You got what?
Wow. Right here.
We got another for you. I got these, but you can't touch until I say so. These two right here. We got that right there. Yeah. All right.
That's a real deal.
No, you can't wet nothing. That's the way it is. Yeah. Just to reiterate the rules to you, nothing to drink. You got that? Nothing to drink at all. You can't use any napkins. No additional sauces. What you doing? He said, what the fuck are you doing, man? No, all right. No crying. You cry, you're disqualified.
Very nice,
all right. You understand the rules? Yeah. You understand the rules. All right. Ready? Get set. Begin. 6 minutes. Let's go. Get
2 minutes. You can do it.
All right. Get them wings done. There you go. Back 2 out of the way.
Oh, hell yeah.
Touch them wings. Shouldn't even be that temperature.
They do, yeah. They make you sweat like crazy.
A little more meat on that one. Get that stuff. Get it out. What are you doing, dude? You gotta go back and chew that meat right. Coming up on 30 seconds, man. Coming up on 30 seconds right now. You can't be taking no breaks. You know breaks in the Blazin challenge. Well, actually, that's what our rule. No breaks in the Blazin challenge. Come on, man. 40 seconds down.
Joe's gonna do it, man. Joe got it, dude.
I got meat on that thing, dude. Look at that meat. That's meat right in the middle, right there. There you go. That's clean the bone right there. That's how I need to have it right now. All right. There you go. Keep on. Keep going. Keep going. Coming up on that first minute, bud. All right. Coming up on that first minute. To get to 9. 1 minute pass. 1 minute pass. Keep on going.
What's the record?
Chew it up.
What's the record?
1 minute and 23 seconds.
Oh my God.
1 minute and 23 seconds is the record. Coming up on 1 minute and 11, 12, 13, 14.
Hey, Joe, lift there.
There we go. Come on, guys. You can at least get the 6 minutes. You know what I'm saying? You at least got the 6 minutes.
6 minutes, man. Come on.
All right.
Come on.
1 minute and 25 seconds. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Can't be taking no breaks. No breaks.
Come on, man.
No breaks. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 1 minute 38, 39, 40,
Yeah,
40 seconds.
I know Joe could do it, man. I think Joe could do it.
33, 34, 35. Get at it, dude. Come on. You got this.
Tony's kind of slowing down over there, man.
I know. It's getting a little. You got some meat there.
Tony's slowing down over there,
On
man.
that one, whoever that one was. That was George. Yeah, I saw you. Yeah, you're taking that meat. That's meat. That's meat.
My wife said he's the same color as his shirt.
2 minutes and 4 seconds. 2 minutes and 4 seconds. 5, 7, 2 minutes and 10 seconds to pass. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up.
What are we at? How old is time? What are we at?
Come on, let's do this, boys. Let's get in that freaking meat.
No.
2 minutes and 23 seconds.
Oh my goodness, yeah. Oh man.
2 minutes and 27, 28. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You should be coming up on that halfway point right about now. That's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, dude. You need to be at that halfway point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Neck and neck.
Come on.
2 minutes and 45 seconds. 2 minutes and 46. Keep it going, guys. Keep
Come
it
on,
going.
guys.
Coming up on 3 minutes. You should have 6 wings down by now. Here we go. Chew with ball. No taking breaks. I'm trying to tell you that. If you take a break, you ain't gonna make it. I'm trying to help. 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Halfway point, you should have 6 wings down. There you go. Get in that meat. There you go. Keep going.
Hey, there's a glass of water right there, man.
You gotta allow that water. It's against the rules. It's all right. Keep on going.
You can do it, man.
4, 5. You're doing good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're doing good. All right. That's that 3 minutes and 30-second mark.
Oh, Joe only got. Oh, there's only 4 left. There's only 4 left, man.
You guys are on my head. You're chin right now. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Come on.
Oh, man. You got it, man. 4 more.
15 seconds.
4 more to go.
All right, there you go. Clean that meat up.
4 more to go. 4 more to go.
Get it. Get it off there. All right, keep on going. 1, 2, 3, 4 wings left.
Come on, 4 more to go.
Wings left. Here we go. Here we go. 4-minute mark right there. 4-minute mark. Better chew and swallow. It's all gonna be in your stomach before I say time. It's all gotta be in your stomach. 4 minutes and 10 seconds right there. Keep going. Come on, guys.
Is he gonna do it? Are they gonna do it? He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it.
4 minutes and 20 seconds.
They got it. 2 more left. They got it.
You got his back? You gonna do it? Got a minute and a half left. Minute and a half left. You should have about 3 wings left. There you go. The rest of that meat. You got this easy. 2 wings left on this side. 2 wings left.
Oh, he got it.
Yeah?
He got it.
Oh, you got some too?
No, 1 minute and 45 seconds. Minute and 15. Almost got 1 left. Almost on this side here. Come on, dude. Don't shake your head.
Don't stop, Joe. Don't stop, man. 1 more.
Here we go.
1 more, man.
Left. 1 minute left.
1 more, man.
Here we go. Here we go. 1 minute left. Gotta have all that meat nice and swallowed. It can't be sitting in your mouth.
Oh, Tony got it, man. Come on.
5 minutes and 10
Tony's on his
seconds
last one.
have passed.
Tony's on his last
Come
one.
on. There you go. He's in emotion now. He's like, strip the meat, put it in the mouth.
Yeah.
Just gotta swallow it all. Get it all. Boom. Right there.
Oh, hell yeah. Clean it out.
Chew and swallow, chew and swallow. 5
Clean it
minutes,
out.
5 seconds. You got this.
Clean it out.
Swallow the meat. Here we go. Here we go.
Boy, you can do it, man.
Swallow, swallow, swallow.
Do it. Swallow it.
Swallow it. Swallow. 5 minutes and 20 seconds, dude. Got 20 seconds to swallow that meat. You too. 20 seconds. 15
Swallow.
seconds.
Come on.
Both done?
Just swallow. 10 seconds, dude. 10 seconds. Just swallow it like a duck. Don't chew.
Swallow
Don't
it.
chew. 5
Swallow,
seconds.
Joe,
5
swallow.
seconds. Swallow it. Go.
Oh, come on, Joe.
That's okay.
Oh,
That's okay.
oh, come on, Joe. All that.
Right here. All right.
Oh, man.
Come on, man. I gotta take a picture. I want the face.
All that.